GOYOJO sent me over their handheld thermal imaging camera, and this thing is great, especially for residential use. If you want to maybe check out your HVAC unit, see the temperature of that, or if you are using this for industrial use, say like the medical industry, and you are looking at like sterility of instruments and just want to maintain a certain temperature, you can use it for that as well. Now this is really nice and comfortable to hold on to. You can see the camera right in the front here. It does have a lens protector on there, so when you aren't using it, you can just fold that down. Easy just to lift it right back up. Now the screen display on here is really nice. It's a high def screen display. It is fully customizable. You can go through all the settings. You are able to capture images. It does have a little trigger on the front that you just press and it captures that image for you. You can take videos on this as well. So just using it the same way, hit that trigger and it will take that video for you. You can also change the color palette on here. It has a few selections for you to do that. So if you want like color or black and white, you can just kind of cycle through those. It does have a emissivity setting on here as well, so you can just cycle through that. And then in the general settings, you can change like the intensity of the display itself. You can change the language. You can also change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius and change the temperature range as well. So this can measure temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. And with the range feature, you're able to go like from that lower extreme all the way up to that higher extreme. And another nice thing I like about this display is it does show you a couple different temperatures on here. You can see the maximum temperature on the display, the minimum temperature, and then like the center point temperature as well. So this is really nice and easy to use. It has a long battery life. To charge it up, it does have a USB-C charging port on the side. You can just connect your USB-C cable right into there and charge it on up. And it does come with a nice carrying case as well. And you do have some straps that it comes with, so you can place the straps on the side and carry it with you. Or on the back here, you can actually put this on your belt buckle and just kind of keep it attached to you that way. So if you're looking for a great quality, easy to use thermal imaging camera, this one right here by GOYOJO is a great choice. Thanks for watching.